I misbound this time for closure. You want what you want, that must be awful. But please pull up your